Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Muhammad Afri. My metric number 14DKM20F2024 and I am from class DKM2A.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Afif bin Azizan. My metric number is 14DKM20F2030 and I'm from DKM2A.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farid bin Kamal Arif and my matrix number is 14DKM20F200N9.
So today for the assessment, we choose maximum, minimum and inflection point for the subtopic of the main point, which is differentiation. So first thing first, I will explain about differentiation meaning. Differentiation in mathematics is process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. In contrast to the abstract nature of the theory behind it, the practical technique of differentiation can be carried out by purely algebraic manipulation using three basic derivatives, 4 rules of operation and a knowledge of how to manipulate functions. So for this part is a stationary point. As we know, stationary point have three, such as minimum, maximum and inflection points. So if d square per y per dx is bigger than 0, it is a positive, so it is a minimum point. And for the graph for minimum points is just like set face. So the second one is 2 square y per dx is smaller than 0, it is negative, so it is a maximum point. So for the graph, maximum point is just like smile. And for the inflection is 2 square y per dx equal to 0. So for the next step is to obtain the coordinate of stationary point. We need to complete the following step. Step 1 is differentiated y into dy per dx. Step 2 is find the value x when dy per dx is 0. For the next step is step 3. Step 3, substitute x into y. Step 4 is conclude stationary point or turning point. Step 5 is differentiation dy dx into d square y per dx square. Step 6 is substitute x into d square y per dx square. Step 7 is conclude maximum and minimum point. For the last step is sketch graph.
So we proceed to the question and the problem statement. The question is a company manufactures vacuums and estimate that the average cost of producing X vacuums per month is given by the question. Y equal to 0.009x plus 0.03 plus 9,000 over x. So the question is find the number of vacuums that will be made to minimize the average. So the first step, we differentiate y into dy dx. The question given y equal to 0.009x plus 0.03 plus 9,000 per x. So first of all, we move the x position to make it easy to differentiate. So 0.009x 1 minus 1 plus 0 because we get 0 because the 0.03 has no unknown. Next, plus negative 1 times 9000 x minus 1 negative 1 minus 1. We move the power of negative 1 to the front. So the final answer of the differentiate is 0.09 minus 9000 per x squared. So the next step, which is step 2, we need to find the value of x when dy dx equal to 0. So the answer we get from differentiate is 0.009 minus 9000 per x squared. So we equal to 0 and we move the x squared position to the front. So we divide as usual 9000 divide by 0.009. So we can get 1 million. So 1 million, we need to square root the 1 million and we can get two answers, which is positive and negative. Positive 1000 and negative 1000. So the next step is step 3. We need to substitute the value of x into y. Y when x is positive 1000 and x is negative 1000. So we substitute as always 0.009 times 1000 plus 0.03 plus 9000 per 1000. We get 9 plus 0.03 plus 9. So the final answer is 18.03. For the negative 1000, we substitute 0.009 times negative 1000 plus 0.03 plus 9000 per negative 1000. So we get negative 9 plus 0.03 plus negative 9. So the final answer of negative 1000 is negative 17.97.
Okay, so for the step 4, conclude stationary point or the turning point for x and y. So the stationary point for the positive one is 1000 apostrophe 18.03, and for the negative one is negative 1000 apostrophe negative 17.97. So the step 5 is differentiate dy dx into d square y per dx square. So the dy per dx is 0.009 minus 9000 per x square. So first step is move the position of x to easy the differentiate. So the first step, 0.09 becomes 0 because there is no unknown there, and minus bracket negative 2 times 9000 bracket x negative 2 minus 1. So the final answer for the d square y per dx square is 80,000 per x power of 3. So the next step is step 6, where is substitute x into d2 square y per dx square. So d square y per dx square when x1 is 1000. So d square y per dx square same equal to 18,000 divided by 1000 power of 3. So the answer is 1.8 times 10 power of 5. So the point is bigger than a 0, so this is a minimum. So for the x2 is negative 1000, so d to y per dx square same as 1800 divided by negative 1000 power of 3. So the answer is negative 1800 times 10 power of 5. So this is a maximum because this is smaller than a 0. Okay, for the step 7, which is conclude maximum and minimum point for x and y. So first one is negative 1000 apostrophe negative 17.97 are maximum point, and 1000 apostrophe 18.03 are minimum point. So the last step is sketch the graph and do the conclusion. So the graph should be like this, and the conclusion is, in order to minimize the average of cost the production, 1000 vacuum has to be made, and average cost of production is RM 18.03 for one vacuum. That's all for me.